Hello, today we will guide you through Axiom Wallet Tracker Guide. In this walkthrough, you'll learn how to add a wallet to the Tracker section in Axiom so you can keep an eye on activity more easily. This is a simple process, and once you know where each option is located, it only takes a moment to set up. To begin, open the Axiom Discover page for the Solana view. This is where you'll start before moving into the tracking tools. If you're already signed in and on the platform, just make sure you're on the correct page so the navigation matches what you see in this guide. Once you're on the Discover page, look across the top of the screen and click on Trackers. This will take you from the Discovery area into the section designed specifically for monitoring wallets. If you don't immediately notice it, take a second to scan the top navigation bar carefully, since that's where this option is located. After the Trackers page opens, click on Add Wallet. This is the button that starts the process of creating a new wallet tracker entry. Selecting this will usually open a form or input area where you can enter the wallet details you want Axiom to monitor. Next, enter the wallet address into the appropriate field. Be careful when pasting or typing the address, because even a small mistake can point to the wrong wallet. It's a good idea to double-check the full address before moving on, especially if you copied it from another source. After entering the wallet address, click on the emoji option to add or change it. This step lets you customize how the wallet appears in your tracker list. Using an emoji can make it easier to recognize different wallets at a glance, especially if you plan to track several of them over time. Choose something memorable and easy for you to identify later. Then enter the wallet name. This is where you can give the wallet a label that makes sense to you. A clear name helps keep your tracker organized and makes future monitoring much easier. For example, you might use a name based on the wallet's purpose or how you want to remember it, as long as the label stays simple and recognizable. Once those details are filled in, your wallet setup information is in place and ready for tracking within Axiom. Taking a few extra seconds to organize the name and emoji now can save time later when you're reviewing multiple wallets. That's it for this guide. You now know how to access the Trackers section, add a wallet, enter the address, customize it with an emoji, and name it for easy reference.